Welcome back everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your computer cannot install Windows 11. Now this can happen for pretty much an infinite amount of reasons, but typically you want to make sure that your computer has the minimum requirements to even install Windows 11 in the first place. Now the minimum requirements to actually get Windows 11 installed is to have a computer that actually has 1.4 GHz single core or a 1.4 GHz single core for 32-bit or 64-bit. You also have to have at least 2 gigs of RAM for your specific Windows PC. You also have at least 15 gigs of available storage, which I think is probably the biggest thing for a lot of people. You have to make sure you have at least 15 gigs of storage. If you don't, you will not be able to install this specific, version of Windows on your specific PC. Now, obviously it's in a beta. It's not even officially out, but when it officially does come out, you're going to need to make sure you might as well get like 20 to 30 gigs of, storage saved on your computer so you can go and install the update and move on from there. Now you also need to have, a screen obviously that's at least 1024 by 768. So above HD resolution. If you have the computer that's like 480p or something, then obviously that's not going to work either. And those are the main ways to go ahead and make sure that your computer is at least suitable to run it. Now you also will need to make sure your computer supports TPM 2.0 and it must, actually have secure boot as well. Now for TPM, you want to see if it's even enabled in the first place. So you want to go ahead and click Windows key and the R button at the same time to essentially get into the run command, or you can also search for it as well. Now when you click that, what you want to do is you want to type in tpm.msc and you want to click OK. Now while Windows is going to open it, it's going to be called TPM Management on Local Computer, and you want to make sure TPM is enabled under the status section. If it says the TPM is ready for use, then you're already set. If not, you want to go ahead and enable it by going into the security tab, going to TPM device and essentially clicking available and then saving and then restarting your PC. And I'll go ahead and leave the instructions down below to actually enable secure boot because it is quite a bit of a process, but that's really all you have to do. If your computer still doesn't support Windows 11 as of this point, then I'd recommend contacting Microsoft and seeing how it goes from there. But these are the main ways to go ahead and fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.